Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the Facebook group type of a Facebook group. This is just going to be a quick video tutorial, so if you want to get more details about Facebook group type, Facebook group privacy types, then check out our more detailed blog posts on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞, where we also share some related information that we're not going to mention in this video. You can also find hundreds of tutorials there on social media or on Facebook group setup and marketing, and they are absolutely free. One more thing before the tutorial: if you want to grow your Facebook group, get more organic reach without running ads, then check out our Facebook group growth checklist that you can download from our website 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞, and now it's completely free. Links to the 38-point checklist in the description below. Alright, so to change the Facebook group type, all you have to do is open up the Facebook group, and of course you have to be the admin of the Facebook group to be able to change the group type of a Facebook group. Click on group settings on the left here. So first you can change the group type of a Facebook group, and Facebook is constantly changing this. We used to have more than 10 Facebook group types. Now it's only 4. And for most Facebook groups, general will be cool. As you can see, for example, social learning Facebook groups, which were really good for creating free courses on Facebook groups, have been replaced by feature sets. So you can still be able to create Facebook group guides and Facebook group mentorship, but you don't have to change the Facebook group type for that. But you can still change the general group type to buy and sell Facebook group. So this is good for Facebook marketplaces, basically, in a Facebook group. And you can create listings and manage sale listings in a Facebook group like that. So change to this Facebook group type if you want to have these features. You can also have a gaming Facebook group. You can also switch to this one. And you can also then link that game to the Facebook group and host tournaments for members. And last but not least, you can also have a jobs Facebook group type. In this case, you can get templates with job salary, location, and hours. So when people or HR people can post jobs with these characteristics. And you can also show a list of all open jobs in the Facebook group currently. So if you want to change the Facebook group, all you have to do is select one of them, and then as Facebook reminds you here, you will lose some existing features. So make sure to do your research before you would switch to a gaming or jobs or buy and sell Facebook group. And besides the general group type, you can also change the privacy type of your Facebook group, but only if you have a public Facebook group. So as you can see, if you click the pencil icon there, you can switch a public group, which is basically an open Facebook group, where anybody can see all the posts that have been shared in that Facebook group. You can change that to a private Facebook group. In this case, it will be a closed Facebook group, and people have to join the Facebook group in order to see the posts and anything like that. But keep in mind, if you change a public group to a private group, it can be changed back to a public group. So keep this in mind. But if you want to change a public group to a private group, just select this one and click on next, and that will be it. Before we would wrap up, just make sure to check out our free Facebook group growth checklist, so you can get 38 checkpoints we use to 10x the number of members in a Facebook group. We are planning to charge money for this checklist in the future, so get it now for free until you can. You can get the checklist by clicking on the link in the description below, or search in Google for 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 and add Facebook group growth checklist. Also, if you want to know more about setting up, managing, growing a Facebook group, make sure to check out our Facebook group marketing tutorial YouTube playlist that you can see in the screen here. See you next time.